Observed as World Anesthesia Day. Very happy Anesthesia Day to all. This year's theme of Anesthesia Day, Anesthesiology in Health Emergencies. On this occasion, I am inviting our today's chief guest, our senior anesthesiologist and RMO MD. And next, Dr. Naresh Annamala sir, our senior doctor of this year election. Yes. Then Dr. Om Prasad, President. Last but not least, now honoring to for this day.
We proceed for lamp lighting ceremony.
Girls, come. Sheetal, come. Hand work, madam.
They made me as an anesthesiologist, really improve on the seniors, my colleagues, and I wish you all everyone a happy anesthesia day. Today we are celebrating this as anesthesia day because our father of anesthesia, the British Morton, he has demonstrated on 16th October 1846 in Massachusetts General Hospital, Boston. So we demonstrated with the ether for the extraction of the neck vascular tumor. So on this, which was successfully done without any pain. So on this occasion, we are celebrating every year as anesthesia day. This year theme is anesthesia in health emergencies. So in case of any emergency crisis, in case of any national calamity disasters or any other emergencies, so managing the health emergencies. So based on that, this year theme is anesthesia is not only the branch of only anesthesia. Anesthesiologist is a physician. He can manage coma conditions and he can manage. We can manage all the coma conditions and we can manage any infections. Anesthesiologist is radiologist. We can do interventions. We can do use the ultrasonography. We can assess the CTs. We can do it for our fraternity. Anesthesiologist is a neonatologist and pediatrician. In case of any emergencies, neonatal assessment.
Today I should remember my teachers, important. Teachers like the Kannada Sahiga and Sudhanashi and Ram and Surendra. They are all the legends. Like this student. Number one, I wish him all the best.
Very auspiciously to every anesthesiologist, wish you all the work anesthesia, happy anesthesia. Today I am not here as the election officer, not chief election officer.
15-20 years back regarding anesthesia. After that, Ratnakar sir struggled a lot. Ratnakar sir, Vasantanna and Veeranna, so many people struggled to form a ISA. But very sad state of the affair is attendance will be low every time. I expected a lot today.
All the dignitaries of ISA City Branch Karimnagar and of the layers. On behalf of NEON, we are giving very much thankful for the opportunity today. Sir, as Dr. Naresh sir said, yes sir, we will come forward for future activity of ISA Karimnagar and we will give our extensive support with the help of our head office seniors. And we are very much thankful for the kind support from ISA City Branch over the so on this auspicious occasion, we wish you a world happy anesthesia.
Platform on that during the act. Congratulations. In good health, I would most fittest person in DC and important strategist in Kannada anesthesia. Thank you, sir, for your cooperation. And I would like to invite Dr. Singh. Rose Nadu. Planned by English. Thank you. Thank you. And your Shawl by Venkatendra. Planned by all of us. Thank you, Nareshna. The successful IMA president and the best award. Congratulations. I am expecting one of the person in organizing committee in budget conference. All senior answer.
Maheshwar Reddy and Vinay sir for arranging it today. And also I like the our city welcomes Leon, teammates and staffs for the celebrations. Thank you one and all for coming, and I would join for the dinner. You all of you join for dinner.
Like sir.
Sir, ready, sir?
Ready?
Essential for surgeries, but reversing their effects can be challenging. Incomplete reversal may lead to regularization and residual paralysis. Excessive dosing or premature cessation of surgery further complicates recovery, often resulting in extended post-anesthesia care unit stays. Neon proudly presents a groundbreaking solution, River C, featuring Sugamadex for reversing aminosteroidal neuromuscular blockers. Experience swift and reliable gamma-cyclodextrin molecule that acts in less than 3 minutes. It uses a unique mechanism to encapsulate, bind, and inactivate rocuronium or veturonium, forming a stable complex. Sugamadex forms a 1:1 type complex. The neostigmine is moderate neuromuscular block and 16.8 times faster in deep block. Dosing guided by monitoring in adults, 2 milligrams per kilogram for 2 to 4 twitches, 4 milligrams per kilogram. For 1 twitch, 16 milligrams per kilogram for emergencies. In children, 2 milligrams per kilogram. For moderate block, 4 milligrams per kilogram for deep block. River C also reduces the incidence of bradycardia, postoperative nausea and vomiting, and oral secretions, while eliminating postoperative residual block. It shortens post-anesthesia. Muscle relax.
Dr. Recently, our Honorable President Sri A.K. Gupta sir had an opportunity to visit Ether Dome. So, few glimpses of Dr. A.K. Gupta sir. His first visit was on 2018 and second time he revisited in August 25. As per our information, many senior anesthesiologists have visited Ether Dome since this place is so close to the fraternity of anesthesia. Which must be in knowledge of most of you, anesthesia is medicine's greatest gift made to suffering humanity. We have conquered pain. We are proud to be associated with such important fraternity of medical science. So we are proud to associate with such important fraternity of medical science. So on this very auspicious occasion of World